Are you thinking about making a move to Cape Coral, Florida? Either to live here and work, have a second home, or retire here? Well, in today's video, we are going to show you in and around Cape Coral, Florida. We are going to show you homes in the $400,000 to $500,000 price range, if that is what fits your budget. And we're going to get after it right now. If this is your very first time to Florida Gulf Coast living and you want to know everything there is to know about living along Florida's Gulf Coast, then subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to get all the current market updates in and along Florida's Gulf Coast. Hi, I'm Lori, and Todd, the team, and I get calls every day from people just like you looking for help in making their move to one of our beautiful cities along Florida's Gulf Coast. We absolutely love it. So whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, schedule a Zoom. We'd love to help you make a smooth move to Florida's Gulf Coast. So as I mentioned, today we are back in Cape Coral, and we are in what is deemed as their downtown area. Now, Cape Coral does not actually have a downtown area. It was created 60 years ago, and it was originally intended to be a residential neighborhood extension of Fort Myers. But since that time, they have built this great area behind us. There are sports bars, there are tap rooms, there are restaurants. Across the street behind me this way in this parking lot is where the farmers market is on Saturday mornings. And there's a lot to do here if you want to come down and cheer on your favorite team on Saturdays or Sundays, or just come hit up some great restaurants down here. Show you one more look at it back this way, and then we are going to get in the car and we are going to go find some neighborhoods in the $400,000 to $500,000 price range. Our first home in the $400,000 to $500,000 price range in Cape Coral, Florida, comes in at $419,000. It has a great corner lot. It's this house behind me. I'm going to come up and show it to you from the front. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,615 square foot home. It does have a pool. It does have a screened-in lanai. It was built in 1965, but has been fully, completely remodeled, including a new roof. So let me come up behind me. You are only 5 minutes to the yacht club from here. It's a beautiful home. Show it to you this way. Great price at $419,000. But right now, let's go see what our second neighborhood has for us in the $400,000 to $500,000 range down here in Cape Coral. Our second home and second neighborhood in the $400,000 to $500,000 price range down here in Cape Coral also has a pool just like the last home. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage home 1,553 square feet, built in 1988, so a little newer, sits on almost 1/4 of an acre, and also has been remodeled. It has a new roof, the pool cage is new air conditioning, for $449,900. So let me show you all the way around this neighborhood. Again, a nice quiet neighborhood with a lot of mature landscaping. Great deal. This neighborhood is very close to everything down here in Cape Coral. One last look at the front of the home here. And let's go check out neighborhood number 3. Our third and final home and neighborhood in the $400,000 to $500,000 price range down here in Cape Coral sits on this quiet street. It's listed at $495,000. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage home. It is 1,679 square feet and was built in 1973. Show it to you behind me. It has a great circular drive out front. It's on a 10,000 square foot lot, so large lots in this neighborhood. It has a pool. It has a tankless water heater back there, or rather inside the house, and it has a very large enclosed lanai for the pool. So I'm going to show you the entire neighborhood. Quite a few for sale in here, all in the $400,000 pretty much to $500,000 price range, or very close to that. So if you have any questions at all on living in Cape Coral, and $400,000 to $500,000 is your price range, or really if you have a different price range and want to know more about the neighborhoods down here, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, schedule a Zoom. We'd love to answer any questions that you might have. And until next time, we hope to see you around town.